successfully make a pass with a basketball to a partner. What are we going to do?
Make a pass to a partner.
With a
basketball.
Does anyone, can I have that ball, man? Thanks. Does anyone remember, think back to when you were in kindergarten. We don't even know the question yet. Does anyone remember, think back to kindergarten, what a good passer does? Does anyone remember the first thing you need to do to be a good passer? Ani, what do you need to do to be a good passer? You need to put the ball to your chest? Okay, so the ball's to my chest. How many hands should I use? Show me with your fingers. Show me with your fingers. Okay, I see 2. So it's 2, right? Yes or no? How many hands?
2.
So the first step is to hold the ball at my chest, or hold the ball to my chest with 2 hands. What's the first step?
Hold the ball to your chest with 2 hands.
Nice job. Who thinks they can show me that? Let me see. Roger, come on up. Roger, why don't you stand right here? Come on, Roger. Why don't you stand right here? Hold the ball with 2 hands and bring the ball to your chest. Nice. Who remembers? Who thinks they remember the next step? What's the next step Roger needs to do? What does he need to do, Nicole? Because that's how he gets the energy and the power to throw the ball. So he steps with his dominant foot. He steps with his what?
Dominant foot.
And I can see Roger stepping. So Roger, do you write with your right hand? You write with your left hand? Okay, so you step with your right hand, right? You step with your right foot. So does that mean that's your strong hand? No? So Roger, when you pass it to me, I know you're right-handed too because I've seen you shoot. So you were right. You step with your right foot, okay? So Roger's going to step with his right foot. Does anyone remember what the third step he needs to do? What's the third step, Ani? So when he throws the ball, he's going to extend his arms and follow through and point to his target. I'm his partner, so I'm his target. Roger, ready to throw that ball to me? Ready, set, go. Nice job. Did you see what Roger when he passed the ball to me? It didn't go up like that. Nice, Roger. Nice, Roger. It went straight to my chest. Do it again, Roger. It went straight to my chest. And I'm a little taller, so he's got to get a little arc on it. So it went straight to my chest. Get ready to catch it. Boom. Just like that. Give Roger 2 claps for a raise the roof. Can you go back to your seat, please? Joseph, you can slide over a bit so Roger can sit down carefully. What you're going to do in a minute is you and your partner are going to have some time to practice passing and catching the ball. And something we didn't talk about, to be a good passer, what else do we need to do? What else do we need to do that we forgot? Serena, what else do we need to do? We need to listen, you're right, okay, but there's something else that you and your partner both need to do. What do you need to do, Nicole? You need to look at your partner. So if Roger passed to me and I wasn't looking, the ball might hit me in the face, it might hit me in the belly, and I might get sick and get hurt. So make sure when you're passing, you're looking. Okay? Now here's something a good chest pass does. A good chest pass never hits the ground. It never what?
Hits the ground.
So when we're passing the ball, we need to make sure that we're giving a good chest pass and we're extending our arms to our partner. Because if it hits the ground, it's going to become a what pass, Laurent? What kind of pass is that if it hits the ground? Your mount? A bounce pass. Nice job. Okay, when I say go, actually no. I'm going to tell you and your partner to go to a spot with a ball. Each spot matches the color of the basketball. Okay? Can Silas and his partner please go to the yellow spot and the yellow ball? Laurent and Nigel, can you please go to the green ball? Nice job. They're already there. They're waiting. Please don't pick the basketball up yet. Nice job. They didn't do that yet. Can I have Serena and Heaven please go to the red spot and the red ball? Nice job. Can I have Alex and your partner, can you please go to the purple spot with the purple ball? Can I have Joseph and Roger go to the blue spots? Can I have Samia and Ani go to the orange? Lucito and Natalia to the green? And Makia and Layla to the red. Nice job. And Mr. Basio is just going to walk around with the camera to make sure everyone's in their spot so we can see. When I say go, you can pick up your basketball. When I say what?
Go!
When I say pass, you can pass with your partner. When can you pass with your partner? When I say what?
Go!
Ooh, I heard someone say go. When I say what? Pass. Make sure you listen for the word pass, okay? Sometimes we can get tricked. Go, pick up your ball. Make sure you and your partner are looking at each other. Now, if you are the other partner, remember about our crossing catching unit a couple of weeks back. We always have our hands ready to catch the ball, right? Nice. I see your arms up. Good job. When I say pass, you can pass with your partner. Ready, set, pass. Nice passes. Make sure we're catching. Good job. Be careful. When you get the ball, you can pass it to your partner. Then don't forget to step with your dominant foot, right? Your right hand, so you step with your right foot. Nice pass, LaRod. Good job. Ball headed. Make sure you're looking, Nigel. Look at your partner only. Good job, Nigel. Nice pass. Good ball. Nice job. Hold on once again. Whoop. Pass it. Make sure you hold the ball. Going. Good job, Samia. See it, Roger. Let's see it, Roger. Pass it to him. And freeze. Hold your basketballs. Hold your basketballs, please. If the basketball is on this side, you should roll it back to your partner. So me and Layla, Lucita, roll the ball back to your partner. Lucita, roll that ball back to your partner. I'm seeing some friends being really scared of basketball. So either we're not looking or our partners are throwing too hard. Remember, a good passer passes the ball to their partner so they can catch it. So if we're throwing really, really hard, our partners can't catch it. So make sure you make nice passes. You're not too far away from each other. You're about a Basio length, about 6 feet away. Okay? Make sure you're not throwing too hard to your partner or passing too hard to your partner. I want to see good passes and lots of catches. Ready, set, pass. Good job. Good job. Nice and soft, Jordan. Good catch. Okay. Good job. Oh, you want to keep your partner right in the chest. Roger, that's a beautiful pass. So step. Nice step, Samia. On your left-handed. I see you're stepping on the left foot. Thanks for getting that ball from a kid. You want to go? No. Nice chest passes. Go. Good job. That ball. And freeze. Can we please roll the basketballs back to our partners? Can you please put the basketballs on Makia? You need the basketball. Can you please put the basketball on the spot? When I say go, I want you to jog back to your spot. Sit down quietly. Do we slide? Do we slide?
No!
No, we don't slide. So we're going to jog back and we're going to sit next to our partner where we were 2 seconds ago. Ready? Ben, Silas, go. Laurent, Najee, go. Serena, Nicole, go. Serena and Heaven, go. My fault. Nicole, Alex, go. Roger, Joseph, go. Samia and Monty, go. Lucito, Natalia, go. Scrappy and Layla, go. Nice job. Everyone's sitting so quietly and patiently. Nice job. Ooh, we got some basketballs that were not on our spot. Layla, can you bring that basketball back to its spot, please? Okay. Who can tell me, track here, Makia? Put your hands in your lap. Who can tell Mr. Basio what we did in PE today? What did we do in PE today? Everyone should have their hands. What did we do in PE today? And when I call your name, I want you to tell me really, really loudly, okay? Najee, what did we do in PE today? What kind of ball? What kind of ball were you using? What kind of ball? A basketball. What kind of pass were we practicing? You said it. Chest pass. Everyone, what kind of pass were we practicing?
Chest pass!
practice the bounce pass a little more, but I want to see who remembers, who can tell me all 3 steps to being a good passer in basketball. When you start, I want you to say, a good passer does. Let's see. Joseph, what does a good passer do?
A good passer does is you must look at your partner.
Okay, you look at your partner. Okay, what's the next step, Joseph?
We hold the ball to our chest.
With how many hands, Joseph?
2.
Nice job. What's the second step, or the third step? Do you remember? What is it?
The third step is you step with your jaw and your foot.
Yes, Joseph. And what's the fourth step? Do you remember what the fourth step is? Do you remember the fourth step? Remember after you let go of the ball, what is the fourth and final step to me a coleslaw? Your partner. And you throw the ball. What do you do with your arms? Lucito. It's called extend your arms. We what?
Extend your arms.
I know that word's a little big, but we extend our arms and we point to our partner. Hands down. Hands down. I'm going to let you a little secret. I'm going to let you know a little secret. In a little while, we're going to do the bounce pass. And the bounce pass is really, really similar. Does anyone remember what the one difference, though, is? What's the one difference, Layla?
You look at the ground.
You look at, okay, so you look at the ground. Okay, thumbs up. I like it. In some ways, it's right. What's the one big difference, though? Who remembers the big difference between a chest and a bounce? Big Ben? The ball's got to bounce. Nice job. Everybody give yourselves 2 claps in a raised group today. You did an awesome job. In a little while, we're going to practice the bounce pass, but we need to get you back to the math class so we can take your math assessment. Everyone, thank you very much. And can I have everyone listen? If you're in BC, you're going to line up right on this line, this black line. If you are in Union College, who's in Union College? Joseph. You're going to line up right behind Joseph. So BC behind Nige, Union behind Joseph. Step 2, go ahead, nice and quiet. Nice job. Give me 1 second, Mr. Bossers. You have to shut the camera off. You did a great job today.